Hello everyone, look what I bought for my cat, this little cute fishy. Look at that. And it actually has a motor inside. And it has a catnip pocket right here. So the cat would be actually very interested in this fishy, I hope. So I'm gonna show it to my cat and see his reaction. So the way this fish works, you throw it on the floor, it starts jumping. Like that. Well, now let's see what Benny thinks about it. Benny, look, here's the fish. Ooh, he's interested. Look at that. Benny, what is it? What is it, Benny? You like it? He probably can smell a catnip. Look at that. What about if I put the fish in his bed? Right here. There we go. Hey Benny, look. This is his tent. He really loves it. So I'm gonna put the fish inside of his tent. Hey Benny, look. Looks like he completely lost the interest in this fish already. I don't know why. Well, he's more interested in bugs, for sure. Well, anyways, I think he kinda liked it. So hopefully he's gonna play more.